Hi everyone, and welcome to Kids Toy Video Playtime. Today we have a special episode as we have been tagged to do the $10 Toy Challenge. For those of you who don't know how the $10 Toy Challenge works, you first need to be sent an invitation from somebody who has a channel on YouTube. We got challenged by YouTube channel Blind Toy Review. Check out their channel as you will be introduced to the spunky Hadley, her brother Jake, and their mom that gets a thumbs up for the cute short haircut and 2 thumbs up for donating it to a really great cause, children with hair loss. Thank you! Here's what we found for $10. First, Brobee and Foofa figures from Yo Gabba Gabba for $2.99. $3.50 for the singing Olaf. And $2.99 for the My Little Pony apple fritter. When you add it all up with tax, it comes to a total of $9.90. Well, I guess that must mean we met the $10 toy challenge. Well, let's get these toys opened up and take a closer look at what we got. First, we will open up our My Little Pony apple fritter. Apple Fritter is an earth pony, and here she comes with a pink cowgirl hat. Let's get it on her so we can see how cute she is in it. So adorable. Now let's spin her around so we can see what she looks like from the back. I love her bright pink pony saddle and the bows in her mane and tail. Apple Fritter is one of the cute family members of the My Little Pony Apple family. She makes delicious apple fritters and gives them to her My Little Pony friends. Any adventure with this My Little Apple Fritter will sure be a sweet one. Race you to the apple orchards! The next toy we got for the challenge was the awesome singing Olaf figure from the movie Frozen. Here on the back it reads, "Sing along with your favorite sun-loving snowman, Olaf, as he dreams about soaking up summertime." The photo on the left reads, "Hi, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs." Oh, sweet! Well, let's get Olaf out of the box so that we can see him talk and sing and dream of summertime with him. In the box, it comes with an instruction manual to show us how to use the singing Olaf toy. On the inside, it's showing us how to get Olaf to start singing. Oh look, it's Olaf skating in. He's so happy. On the back of Olaf, there is a little plastic piece that you must pull first before you can get Olaf to sing. Olaf also comes with the summer hat. On the top, there is a space where you can slide the hat onto his twig hair. Now he's ready to sing and dance.
Oh, I don't know why, but I've always loved the idea of summer. Bees will buzz, kids will blow dandelion fuzz, and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. A drink in my hand, my snow up against the burning sand, probably getting gorgeously tanned in summer.
For our last toy, we have the Yo Gabba Gabba figures, Brobee and Foofa. These two silly toys that come to life are in their adventure outfits. On the back, there's a lovely photo of Muno and Plex, the other Yo Gabba Gabba members that you can collect. Well, let's get Brobee and Foofa out of this packaging so we can take a closer look at their adventure outfits. Here comes walking in Brobee. Brobee is in his pirate outfit and looks all ready to sail the high seas. He has on his pirate hat and an eye patch. This squeezable figure is so cute and ready for some pirate adventures. Ships ahoy! Next, we have coming in Yo Gabba Gabba's Foofa. Foofa is in her chef outfit. She is wearing her white apron and chef hat and has baked a delicious chocolate cake. She has put a giant strawberry on the top of the cake as the final touch. Yum! Oh, don't walk too fast or you might drop the cake. In all of the Yo Gabba Gabba episodes, there is a topic for the day. Well, today's topic will be on dance since this has been a really fun $10 toy challenge. So lift those feet up. If you're sitting down and watching this, well, get up and start moving that body. And let's get those feet going. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah. Come on, Brobee, you got it. Oh yeah, Foofa, show us those fancy feet. Uh-oh, here comes the Olaf. The party is getting real in here. Move those snowman body parts. Show off the moves, buddy. Shake that frost up. Oh yeah. Apple Fritter in the house, everyone! Look at her hooves move. Come on, everybody, let's hear it for the $10 toy challenge! Yay! This has been so much fun. We may be done for now, but we want to keep the $10 toy challenge going. So we want to go ahead and tag YouTube channels, VanCam SisLove, DohMuchFun, and Kids Toy Corner. We hope you will take our toy challenge and that we will see your video on the $10 toy challenge Flipboard site that we have linked above. All the YouTube channels that have made a $10 toy challenge video will be on the Flipboard site where your video can be shared with others that share the same interests as you on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos from Kids Toy Video Playtime. Bye, everyone!